So before we decided to renovate our house, kind of had one area that was just where all the junk went, like the mail and all our charging stuff took up all the space on the counter, and it just looked junky all the time. We redesigned this kitchen. We put in this docking drawer. It's really just been a great space to put everything to kind of hide it. Now we know where all the chargers are and where the phones are and anything else we need to charge the AirPods and watches. And the storage has been really great. We can just close it up and everything is gone and everything looks neat and tidy.